Hi there, so we've got the app installed on our phone and then we've opened the app, and what we've done when we've opened the app is just got a load of terms and conditions. Essentially, you know by watching any of my videos, this is not financial advice, okay? And security is the absolute pinnacle thing that you can do in crypto. Double, triple check everything that you're doing. Never trust anyone, any email. Double, triple check that across multiple variety of sources to ensure that you're getting it right, because people are out there and they will try and scam you, and that's really what it's saying in that first terms and conditions part of the Xumm app. So you have to keep clicking I understand, I understand, I understand as you're reading that through, which gives it or takes the liability away from them, puts it firmly with you. Please be mindful about keeping your secrets, which we're going to come on to in a minute, very safe. That is 8 rows of 6 digits running through A through H. We're going to, I'm just going to show you the first row of that, and then we're going to write those down, and we're going to keep them safe in a couple of locations. I recommend keeping them safe in your house, somewhere like a safe, the loft, somewhere out of the way from prying eyes, and then also writing those down, doing a photocopy or just maybe a written copy, putting those somewhere with someone that you trust with your life. Okay, please do not share these and say, woohoo, look, these are my secrets, for my Xumm app on my phone, with people that you are deeply engrossed with or that you love dearly now. That could rapidly change in the next week, let alone in the next few years. Okay, so you don't want that person going, oh, I'll get my own back on them, I've got their seed phrase, etc. Don't get yourself into a potential of that situation. Keep your secret safe. It's a little different with the numbers than the usual 12 or 20 word seed phrases that we know with a lot of other wallets such as MetaMask, etc. But this is a very secure method. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move into that. As long as you've got that locked in your brain and you've moved through all of the different I understands, you will come to this screen right in front. And we can do add an account. We've got a couple of options. We can either put those secrets, so that's those 8 rows of 6 digits, into an existing, so imported from an existing account, or we can create a new account. Since this is a fresh install, we're going to create a new account. Now again, it's asking us, or it's warning us. So you see there's another understand point here. So only you can touch your funds. You have to keep your secret safe. Your secret consists of these 8 rows, 6 digits. Write them all down on a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe. If your device crashes and you don't have the secret numbers, all of your funds are gone. If you lose your device off the side of a cross-channel ferry, they're gone. The car drives over your phone, they're gone if you've not got them written down. Please heed that. Take that on board, write down and get them dual copies somewhere safe. So I'm going to go on to next I understand, and I'm going to open up. I'm not going to go through and bore you with all of these, right? I'm going to just pause the video now, fill these in so we've got a fresh wallet. But what I'm saying to you here is you can see the outlay. So A would be 438085, then we're going to go B, C, D, all the way through. Laborious process, but guess what? It is super secure. And I want you to be super secure and have security in the front and center of your mind. So I'm going to write these down. And then, even though this is just a tutorial and it's just a demonstration wallet, and then we're going to start having a look at how the wallet operates and how we can actually get some XRP from, most of you are going to moving from the Stellar Ledger across into the XRP, or into your XRP wallet, onto the XRPL. So we're going to be moving some assets from one place to another. Okay, I'll join you shortly. Hi, welcome back. So we've done the 8 rows of 6 digits. Now what we've got to do is confirm them. So where you've written them down now, you're basically just going to copy those straight in to these different rows. We know the first one was 438085. So you'll see if I do 4, 3, 8, 0, 8, 5, and when you've done that, so you've got a green tick that A is done, and then you move down to the next one and you repeat that process all the way through off your written list. So when you've written them down, duplicate them back into this to confirm. When you've done that, then join me in the next part, and then we all have the wallet, and the wallet will be set up. So I'll join you just in a couple of moments. So now we've put in the 8 rows of 6 digits. It's given us a green bar for each of those 8 rows. If you're not putting the number in correctly from where you've written it down, it won't allow you to proceed to the next step. So make sure that when you are writing the first ones down, that you've written them down correctly, or certainly in letters that you can decipher, not our UK doctors' letters, which you can't actually decipher anything of what they write. Moving on, we press next. And there we go. We have now got a public address, meaning that this is something you can share with anyone. It's not your private secrets. It's something that you can share to your public address, and you can actually send assets to this now, right? So we're off and running. And what we're going to do now is we're actually going to send some XRP into this wallet, so that you can see how the balance works. So we've got the address then, and if we press next again, we can see now the account activation is required on the XRP ledger. To activate, you will need to make a first deposit of at least 10 XRP. The first 10 XRP deposited into your account cannot be spent, but will be reserved to keep your account active and to pay for ledger fees, right? So your reserved XRP does not show up as a balance in Xumm, but you can view your reserve with the Explain My Balance button in the home screen above your XRP. And all this is doing is really just securing the wallet and the ability for you to interact with the XRP ledger in layman's terms. So when you understand that, you think, okay, well, I've got to get 10 of these XRP coins into this wallet, yeah, right? That's the first thing you've got to do to activate it. You can do that in a variety of different ways. I'm going to send it over from what's called an anchor on the on the Stellar network, right? So I'm going to come into Lobster Wallet, and I'm going to use Lobster Wallet and the asset, which I'll explain in a minute, to send XRP from one ledger, so that's the Stellar ledger, across through the anchor and into your Xumm wallet, and hopefully that will all work swimmingly. I'll come on to that again in just 1 second. First, we're going to press next. I understand. Extra security, please choose the security level that suits your account. So you've got standard, sign with Face ID or passcode. This is ideal for daily spending. You can sign transactions simply by showing your face, scanning your finger, or entering your passcode. That's what I recommend you start with. But if you want to go for the extra security, this option is better for long-term storage. So if you're just intending on sort of hodling, investing in XRP, that could be the one for you. So this option for those people that are hodling, and if you're utilizing NFTs, XRPL assets, the top one is probably the best one. So we're just going to click next again. And then you can add a label. So my label I'm going to put in here is going to be, we can put in test wallet. Yeah, so test wallets, just so that we know. And then we're going to press next again. Congratulations, account is complete. You have just created a fresh new account. Hooray, let's go. And there we go. So now we've got the label at the top there, which is saying test wallet. We've got the wallet public key, or the public address. We can show the account QR code should someone else also have a Xumm wallet and is going to send you some assets, and they're just going to slide their phone, just take a picture of your QR code. And you've got the account is not activated. Remember, that's the 10 XRP that we need to get in there. So that is going to be the next stage of the operation. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to make a next video, so this video doesn't run over too long. We're going to make a new video of how to get some assets across onto our Xumm wallet. Cheers. Look forward to joining you then.